Hello everyone and welcome to our video on Python job script. And for this video, we'll be focusing on creating an environment. If you want to check out how to create job scripts and how to submit job scripts for Python language, you can check out the previous video. So we have covered all of this in the previous video. I will skip right to this part. So in the previous video, I said we need to load Miniconda in order to run any Python programs, and then I have to activate an environment. But how do you actually set up an environment in the first place? So let's check on that process. Let's move to the live demo for this. So I have connected to a HPC param rudra, and I am inside the GPU node right now, RPGPU 006. So first it has me out of it. So okay, now I'm in the home directory. First, let's load the module. So you will need to need to perform these steps before you submit the job script. Otherwise, you won't have a setup environment with the right packages. So I will do conda create because I want to create a new environment, and let's name the environment TTK. After all, who cares? You can name it anything. And now you have to enter the Python. This is the version of Python you want to be installed inside of this environment. So this is important. Why? Because when you're creating the environment, Conda will also install Python on that environment. So you can change the version number here according to your preference. I prefer 3.10 because it's been out for some time and it is quite stable. If you want, you can switch to newer versions like 1.13. It's totally up to your choice. So let's press enter. It's giving me some warnings, but they can be safely ignored. And now it's collecting package metadata. Okay, so environment it's been created. It's asking if I want to. So it is saying that following new packages will be installed and asking me if I want to proceed or not. So of course I want to do it. So it is executing it. So now the environment has been created. And now I can simply activate this environment. First, I'll need to activate it before I want to do anything. Okay, let's clear the page so I get more real estate. As you can see here, now I am inside the TTK environment. Now what to do inside this once you're inside this environment? So now you will simply run a install numpy matplotlib and let's do just these two for now, and you can press enter. So why do we need to expected semicolon? Okay, so why do we need to do all of these steps in order to just do a simple pip install? That is because creating an environment, what it does is isolates the you can say that it isolates it from the home page or from the home directory. That means if you install programs in this environment, only a small section of it will be affected, and the major section, which is the complete system. The complete system won't be affected. Why is it necessary? On your own PC, it would not matter where you install the software, but when it is on the in a HPC, all of these things can cause errors and issues basically across multiple. Let's say I am working with Python 3.10, some other person is working with Python 3.13, and both of us have installed on the on our home directories without any environments, then they can cause conflicts. These two versions can cause conflicts. Or I myself may install some packages that are not compatible with the Python version I'm working on, and they can cause problems. That is why creating environments is the preferred option, especially when you're working on HPCs, to avoid these kind of conflicts. You are restricting the access to a certain section of files. Okay, so now I have installed NumPy and matplotlib. You can install almost any package that you want using the pip command. Some require some different install commands like Python install, etc., etc. But that is something you can just check from the documentation of the desired module, and you can type it here to install it easily. Once you have installed it, you can also execute any program that is inside your, currently I'm in the home directory. So any program that is inside the home directory, I can simply run it. Let's do hello world.py. I can run it like this. So you just type Python hello world file name, and you can run the program here. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.